Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Nissan Micra, old model, but however, this thing can happen many cars, many models. Basically, I'm going to show you what happened. MOT failed, and they said multiple light operate from this side. I'll show you what I mean. Please, yeah, you can see this is the indicator. The driver side rear indicator, please. You can see this light not bright as usual, and also you can see something trigger up here. Okay, you can see properly when I apply the brake. Apply the brake, please. You can see this side we have a nice and steady brake light. However, the middle one not working, it's not mandatory. Yeah, in this side you can see blink here, and the same time indicator same side, driver side indicator. Yeah, now you can see indicator light I can't see, but however brake light bulb work as a indicator bulb. That's why the problem. So we'll see what's going on. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of useful video like this. First of all, I'm going to remove this 10 mil 2 nut, then after that I can read to the bulb hold and have a look visually what's going on. At the moment, I'm not thinking vehicle has a cancer. Some people say, oh, body control module somewhere in here, but we'll see what's going on. Yeah, okay, need to remove this 210 mil. Right. Yeah, first of all, I will check any visually wire damage. No, I can't find any damages. Right, I'm going to disconnect here from here. Yeah, we know the problem exactly. I don't want special tool. You can see here this pin burn out. That's why the all causing. You can see here inside this middle pin, this one little bit black and burn out, but still usable. Okay, I will remove this bulb holder and have a look what's going on here. Right, yeah, at the moment this is the middle one damage, but in here I can't see anything. What I'm going to do, I am just clean connector inside and I will make it continuity. That's why my plan now. After that, in here I will these two pins little bit, you can see this two pins bit mouth open. What I'm going to do, little bit get closer. Look to me, it's fine. Right. Right. Now I will reconnect. Okay. Right. Yeah, indicator on, but still you can see it's no any luck. See, still same problem. Right. Okay. Okay, we'll try to clean more bit because I feeling inside slightly something developing and it's not get good continuity. Yeah, I'll try to use slightly sandpaper something and make it little bit clear. Much better now. Yeah, again reconnect. Right, now we'll see what's going on here. Right, yeah, indicator please. Yeah, apply the brake. Yeah, now you can see it's steady indicator bulb and steady bright braking light. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Now you all also what's going on and what happened here. I didn't do miracle, but I'll go with the thingy. But however, I feeling this is for the temporary purpose, but I don't know, maybe 1 month, 2 months, or next whole year it will work or not. But at the moment it's work as should be. If I see like this problem, two things we can do. If it really bad, what we need to do, we need to cut this middle wire, this middle wire, the gray color one, middle one, this is the earth. We need to cut here, take a extension and take through the bulb holder somewhere. We can take from here this hole, and after that we need to give the connectivity for the this earth line. If it not proper way, we need a new bulb holder and new wiring harness, this wiring loom. Then after that we can do the amendment. That's the proper way, that's the ideal way. But however, this is temporary way. If you have a like this problem, because this customer, even I don't know, he need to spend more money, because when I see the car all around, it's not good condition. See, it's bumpers hanging, door damage, yeah, little bit around the car, little bit work there. But to be honest, we'll see. If a customer say, yeah, go and do the proper way, I'll do it. But at the moment, done the job for a temporary purpose, and he can get the MOT now. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open to you. Let me know your idea. If you want, oh Charlie, you are not right, this thing wrong, that thing wrong, always welcome. Yeah, comment section open. And also, if you need to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, I will add the link in the description. You can click that link and you can join there. Many mechanic there, many customers there. Then you can share your experience. If you need any advice, you can get the advice from there. Thank you. See you in the next video.